Hello children, today we are going to see the class 3rd science lesson number 11, our earth and its neighbors. Today we are going to see about this explanation. So children, let us open the page number 88. In this lesson we will read and learn about. In this lesson we are going to study about the planets, movements of the earth, the moon, Indian astronomers, the earth, the sun and the star. We are going to learn about this all the concept. Now let us see about the planet. The planets. There are 8 heavenly bodies revolving around the sun, which are referred to as a planet. Planet means what? Around the sun, heavenly bodies are there. They are revolving, means they are taking the rotation of the sun. That is known as a planet. The sun along with these heavenly bodies is called the solar system. Now solar system means what? All these heavenly bodies and sun. It is known as a solar system. In solar system, they are considered as a solar and this all the heavenly bodies. This is known as a solar system. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Totally 8 planets are there, children. That is known as a planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all the planets are there. Planets do not have light of their own. The planets don't have their own light. The planet don't have their own light. Some planets are closer to the sun and some are far. Some are the closest to the sun and some are far from the sun. Earth is the one of the planet in our solar system and it's at the 3rd position from the sun. The earth is the one, our earth. We are staying all on the earth. The earth is the one planet of our solar system. It is in a 3rd position. It is the only planet that supports life. Now one more thing, it is the earth. It is the only on the earth as living things are there. All human beings, trees, everything it is there. On the earth only it is there. Now see here, you can see Mercury is the first closest planet from near to the sun. Next is the Venus. 3rd is the Earth. Earth is the 3rd. Then Mars is the 4th. Then Jupiter. Then Saturn. The Uranus and Neptune. These all planets are from the solar system only. The word solar comes from the sun. Latin word sol meaning sun. Earlier, there were 9 planets in the solar system. Before, there was 9 planets in the solar system. The 9th planet was Pluto. The 9th planet was Pluto. Now it is not considered as a planet of a solar system because it was very far from the sun and it is not looking like a planet. It was looking like a dwarf planet. It was not looking like a planet. That's why now they removed. Before it was there. Before 2006 7 you saw the books, means in that book it is there. Totally 9 planets are there. But now since last 2-3 years onwards, they consider as only 8 planets are there in a solar system. Before when your parents learnt, no, that time it was 9 planet in a solar system. Okay, now only 8 planets are there in a solar system. The earth, now we are staying on the earth, we have to learn about the earth only. The earth is made of land, water and air. On the earth, land is there, water is there, air is there. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with the water and 1/4 is a land. Now total 3/4. In one chapati you will make the 4 pieces, then 3 pieces it is like a full of water only. Only 1/4, 1 piece is remaining, that much only it is the land is there on the earth. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air. Now near to the earth there is a air is there. Long ago people thought that the earth is a flat. The earth shape is a flat. But it is not true. It is a round in a shape. Earth is like little bit round in a shape. It is flat on the upper and lower side. Little flat this side and little flat this side. Okay. It appears flat because it is a very large in a size and we see only a tiny part of it. It is a very big earth. It is a very big. Okay. Then we can see only little part of the earth, like our chickod is there. Yes or no? It is a small part of the earth only it is there. Okay. I hope you understood this.